Alright, thanks for checking out my 79 Ford Bronco available for sale. This thing has been completely restored. So this is all brand new paint, original metal. This thing came out of southern Colorado, was bought from the original owner, has about 96,000 original miles, has the original numbers matching 400 engine, the original carburetor, C6 automatic. Thing runs fantastic. The frame has been completely done. Inner panels are powder coated. I'll show you that from under the hood. It does have the upgraded dual shocks. This is all completely replaced, although I just hit a water puddle on the way over, so sorry about that. These wheels and tires are brand new. I mean, these things have maybe a couple miles on them, so they're brand new. 5 new tires. I do have the original aluminum wheels. They were the sport aluminum wheels. I have those that can go with the sale if you want them. Everything's been completely redone, including the top. The paint is laser straight. Beautiful. No dings, no dents. It's brand new paint. It's running. I got it running just so we can listen to it. Original bumpers, they're good. You know, maybe you want to re-chrome them someday. They're starting to show a little age on the bumpers, but they're good. I mean, there's nothing wrong with them. The back glass does go up and down. I'll guarantee you that. This is the original racetrack molding. Most of the trim on this is all original. I mean, you can replace it for not too expensive. You can see a few little scuffs here on this trim around the outside taillight. A couple scuffs there on that racetrack trim. This piece here is really good. There's nothing wrong with any of that. On the door is really good. I'll just peep in here and show you this while we're standing here. Original door panels, which are good and solid. This here could be tidied just a little bit. The wood grain is perfect on there. Nothing wrong with it. The inner doors have been completely painted. All these rockers have been completely painted, all original. People have asked if they redid the quarters. Nope, there's the factory welds. There's the original sticker. Brand new carpet. I just have some gray floor mats to kind of match. A little bit of dirt right there on the carpet, no big deal. The dash has been completely powder coated. When we removed the dash, it was powder coated. All the gauges worked except the fuel gauge, and I'm not sure what's up with the fuel gauge, but it's not working. Other than that, all the gauges do work. I said 96,000 miles, 94,000 miles, sorry. The air conditioning does work. Blows cold. You can hear it kick on just then. The air compressor kicks on. LED light. Brand new upholstery. These seats are brand new. Part of the restoration. The inner top could be cleaned just a little bit, not too bad. I do have all the trim pieces for the inner top. So there's trim pieces that'll cover those holes. They are original, a little bit discolored. So, but I do have the trim pieces if you want to clean them up and repaint them white. They would look good. That's the factory top. There's the air blowing out cold. Just wanted to show you that. I know you can't feel it, but I can. So the whole dash has been completely powder coated. I don't need to run air conditioning in the middle of February. Again, new seats here. That's the original center console. Panels in the back are great. I'm telling you, this whole thing's been completely redone. Door shuts good. The grill insert is brand new. So this whole insert is brand new. The grill surround, the shell, is factory original. There's some scuffs on this corner right here. You can still get those shells, but they're not cheap. But you can still get those Grille shells through several companies. All right, I'm gonna set the phone down, open the hood real quick. All right, so the hood's open. Even under the hood was completely painted. Complete gloss. Base coat, clear coat. Here's the inner panels, powder coated. Powder coated hinges. This is the original factory 400 right here. New brake booster, new master cylinder, brand new interstate battery. Again, the other fender apron here, powder coated hinges. Doesn't smoke, it has no hesitation starting. All right, there's pictures of underneath. It's been completely sandblasted, painted frame. It's nice. Thanks.